Have you ever considered what should happen to your assets when you pass away, or how you would pay for long-term care as you get older? If not, well, you should. On today's episode of Home Helper's Water Cooler Chat, I have with me attorney and local expert Michelangelo Mortellaro of Mortellaro Law to discuss estate planning and why it is necessary. Let's go. Thank you so much for joining us today, Michelangelo. How are you doing today?
I'm great. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I appreciate being here.
I appreciate you, man. So the first question I have is, why is estate planning so often overlooked but necessary regardless of a person's net worth?
Well, it's a topic that people don't like to talk about. What happens if I get sick? What happens if I need a nursing home? What happens when I pass away? And, how are my assets, whatever I have, large or small amount, how are they going to be divvied up between those folks that I care about? And so it's not a fun topic. It's kind of like hospice, like no one wants to talk about it, but they certainly appreciate the services. And so people tend to procrastinate, and procrastination is the death of all estate planning and really all efficiency. So people put it off to when they think like, well, I'll do it when I get old. And that's always a moving target. As we get old, we define old as somewhere further down the road. And so a lot of people end up getting sick or passing away without ever having taken their head out of the sand and decided to make those decisions and make the plan.
I think you've shared some great information with us today, Michelangelo, and I think it's going to help our audience to make better decisions and to make a determination if they can use elder law or estate planning services and even your services. And so is there anything else you wanted to add before we go today?
Yeah, that'd be great. If anybody has questions, our consultations are always free, so it's a great educational opportunity. You can find us online at mortellarolaw.com or on Facebook, or our office number is 813-367-1500.
I'll go ahead and add that information in the comments so they'll see that. So thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you again. And thank you once again to all viewers for joining us today. See you next time on the next episode of Home Helper's Water Cooler Chat. See you guys.